Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about inflection in speech. But hold on, what is inflection in speech? Well, I'll be telling you first what voice inflection is, how to use voice inflection, when to use voice inflection, and why to use voice inflection. Voice inflection means varying pitch and tone. For example, when asking a question, your pitch automatically goes higher. For example, do you like pizza? When you state a fact, your voice goes lower. For example, I am 10 years old. Now, how to use it? Well, the key is to make your pitch go up and down and high and low, and do not have a very monotone voice like a robot. Moving on to when to use it. Actually, we use it every day and all the time, and it's most important during speeches. Finally, and most importantly, why is voice inflection important? Well, imagine this. If our voices are always at the same level, it'll be very boring for others to listen to us. This is what I mean. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul, and sings the tune without the words, and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm, that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asks a crumb of me. What do you think of that reading of a poem? By the way, it's written by Emily Dickinson, one of America's greatest and most original poets of all time. My mom likes her a lot. Anyways, if we read this poem out loud with a flat tone, we could never communicate the rich emotions seeping out from the words. Let's try it one more time. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. It's much better this time, right? With my voice going up and down, extending and contracting in all the necessary places. It felt like the poem was alive, didn't it? Well, hopefully this time around you could truly feel the tenaciously glimmering presence of hope in dark days and stormy nights, quietly comforting and cheering so many of us. As you can see, changing the tone of voice can make a big difference. I hope watching this video will help with using voice inflection in your future presentations. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye!